Hi all. Today I'm going to talk briefly about how hospital information is linked to patients, guests, and visits. So prior to this current build, prior to January 2021, hospitals were linked directly to a patient. This meant that each family group could only ever have one of them. So if Jane Doe stayed with us on the 29th, and then the family came back on the 31st, and we changed her hospital link from county hospital to city, then this change to city would overwrite all previous visits at the house. With a lot of input from clients and a lot of assistance from clients, we have changed this. Now, as of the latest release, again, January 2021, hospital information is now linked to visits. So Jane Doe can stay on the 29th and be linked to county hospital and come back on the 31st and be linked to a different hospital. So this is also true of all of the hospital information. So everything in this box. If you change any of these fields, adding a referral agent, changing a diagnosis, a medical record number, if that's linked to each hospital, anything you change in here will no longer change previous visits. So this should increase the accuracy of your reporting, which is always a good thing. Okay, point 2. So now we have a question of future reservations. Jane Doe has had multiple, has been linked to multiple hospitals, maybe multiple diagnoses. So how do we deal with future reservations? Future reservations take a look at the most recent visit. It can either be a current one or a recently finished one, but whatever visit has been most current, a new reservation will pull the hospital info from that. So here you can see we have a new reservation for Jane Doe for next weekend. And the default information is the same as the current visit, City Hospital and Dragonpox for our diagnosis. If we change the hospital to hospice and then go back to the house register, we can see that even though we altered the hospital for a current reservation, it did not change the hospital for the current visit or any previous visits. Okay, so my last point today is how you find the hospital information in the guest edit page. So it's no longer in the patient support group tab because it's not linked directly to the patient. Instead, you find it in each visit, just like you would on the calendar. You open up the edit visit window and you can click on the hospital button and you can edit anything as needed. So back on the calendar, again, how you find current referral agents or current doctors if you need to get in touch with them. The easiest way now is to just open up your edit visit window and click on the hospital box. So hopefully that will save many of you a step, actually. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm sure you, at this point, you know how to get in touch with us.